Collaborative learning has been shown to boost knowledge retention, and it's becoming core to the education process. It's the mission of Ferco to provide the infrastructure to enable that to happen. Environment has an enormous practical and qualitative impact on learning. Learners need to be able to easily engage with their peers, as well as to receive a one-to-one experience with their educator. The Turn and Learn educational seating system creates the environment where collaborative learning can flourish. Collaborative learning is a student-centered approach, focusing on group work and interaction. Teaching sessions are structured so that knowledge disseminated by the lecturer is discussed. Following this concept, students are encouraged to listen to, engage with and learn from each other, taking turns to lead and supporting their peers. It also fosters cooperation and sharing, encompassing diversity and understanding. The Turn and Learn seating range, with its unique design, supports the requirements of physically interactive teaching spaces. Simple desks are arranged between comfortable seats, which rotate a full 360 degrees, giving full line of sight to the lecturer, allowing both didactic and group work. Digital experiences, interactions between physical and digital space, are supported by Turn and Learn seating, by the easy integration of power and data sources. The range is suitable for a number of different applications, including education settings, libraries and canteens, IT suites and offices. It offers good capacity and can be fitted into different shaped rooms in flexible layouts with easy installation. This flexibility also makes it popular in executive settings and commercial spaces. Learn more at fercoseating.com, or to arrange a demonstration, email info@fercoseating.co.uk or ring 01743 761 244. Ferco. Seating made better.